The process of cleaning bass strings which sound tubby. I've read about it on the internet and went through the process of, in one place they say that you remove the string without remove it from the tuning pin. Just take it out and you work it and clean it with I have a compressor, so I'm able to blow air on the spools, and what I've found is that with the rust accumulating on the string, it was stiff to move about, and after the treatment it's a lot more supple and the sound appears to be a lot better. The process is I don't know if I'll be able to place the camera so you'll be able to see it. In fact, is just jiggling the string about. I'll just place the camera here. Okay, so you take your hands and just twist it about like so all along, and after that you clean. And what this does is that it loosens the wrapping around the string and allows it to move about more freely. So I'll be tuning it and then playing it to see the difference that it did. I already have one string done, which is this one here, and it appears to have a lot better sound than the ones near it, which are more like they don't sound as loud and as it doesn't vibrate as long either. So we'll see. Next step will be trying it out. Okay, follow up on tubby bass strings that don't sound right. I've done a treatment on one key and it made quite a difference. To show you the sound that it had before, I'll just play the bass strings going down and you'll notice the key which I did is over here. It's this key here. So here we go. You can neatly hear the difference between, this is very tubby, this one is a lot louder, and the sustain is a lot longer too. This one isn't quite bad, but these ones you can hear it, how low sounding it is. So the treatment, the string treatment works. Bass string treatment for when the strings, the sound gets tubby. These are rusted strings. First step, brushing them. Try to remove the most rust that you possibly can. Afterwards, you work the string in a manner to loosen up the spirals that are wrapped around the center core, or the core wire of the string itself. That way it becomes more supple and gives off a better sound, louder sound also. Okay, after the brushing, what you do is you take your string and you just twist it about, making sure not to bend it, but just wiggling around like that loosens up the rust that's been embedded inside the string. It's a tedious work, but I've tried it on a few strings already and I have gotten some good results out of it. Naturally, you have to go through the process, this process for the whole lower end of the piano where the strings are wrapped. This one I haven't jiggled around, and I can see that it's harder. This one is more flexible. This one is, I feel a certain harshness when I try to bend it. Once I've gone through the process like the other one, naturally, when you retune it afterwards, you have to be careful not to go over stress it, so gotta go slowly tuning it in order not to break the strings. So far I've been lucky, I haven't broken any strings. There, that should do it.